Welcome to our deep dive into the second layer of the OSI model, the data link layer. The data link layer is the foundation of reliable communication between devices on the same local network, known as a LAN. Its primary role is to bridge the gap between the software-driven network layer and the physical transmission of data. Data arriving from the network layer, as packets are encapsulated into frames, which are ready for physical delivery. This layer introduces Media Access Control Addresses, or MAC addresses, assigned to network interface cards to uniquely identify devices. While IP addresses help data traverse across different networks, MAC addresses ensure data reaches the correct physical hardware within the local segment. Think of an IP address as an apartment building street address, while the MAC address is the specific apartment number where the package is delivered. Hardware like network switches operates at this layer to manage traffic efficiently by ensuring data goes exactly where it needs to. Switches read the source and destination MAC addresses to create an intelligent path for every frame, reducing unnecessary network congestion. By maintaining a MAC address table, the switch knows precisely which port a device is connected to, forwarding frames only to the correct destination. The data link layer is divided into two distinct sublayers to handle logic and hardware communication. The logical link control manages network layer interactions, while the media access control sublayer dictates physical hardware access. Technologies like Ethernet, Wi-Fi, VLANs, and ARP are the standard protocols that define how this layer functions in practice. Reliability is paramount. This layer ensures that frames are synchronized and delivered accurately across the local wire. Flow control mechanisms prevent a faster sender from overwhelming a slower receiver, maintaining stable communication speeds. Using cyclic redundancy checks, the layer detects corruption in frames, ensuring that faulty data is identified and discarded. To summarize, the data link layer is essential for the reliable delivery of data within your local network. Through framing, MAC addressing, switching, and error detection, the data link layer ensures your local network runs smoothly and accurately.